Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Lab. Today in this video we are going to make this basic model by using the SolidWorks tool. So you can see in your screen this is the model that we are going to make. So let's open a part first. Click on the part, go for the OK. Here the by default unit, let it be millimeter gram second. So I want to choose here front plane. So choose the front plane, go for the sketch. I'll just here start with the corner rectangle, let it be like this. Give the relation this line and this, I'll be giving the relation midpoint, just go with the OK. I'll be giving the length of this rectangle is 98 and give the height here 20. I'll just do here one thing. I'll just make a center line. I'll just create a center line here. Now I will make a sketch like this. Simple sketch which is like this. I'll start from this point like this and like this. Now we need to go for the dimensions. Here I'll be giving the dimension this line and this line. The dimension between these two lines is 14. Now I need to give a height here. This line and this line having the dimension 6 mm. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. I'll give a little fillet over here. So click on this fillet tools and I'll be giving the fillet radius of 3. This corner and this corners. Just go with the OK. In the same way, I'll be giving here one more fillet. Click on this. Just go with the OK. So now I need to go for the mirror. So click on the mirror tools. We have the option here mirror. I want to create the mirror of this line and this line, mirror about this. Just go with this OK. Here I will go for the trim right now, and you can see here we have the option trim, and up and down I will come down, trim and keep the entities. Okay, as construction geometry I will keep it on. I'll trim these portions and I will trim these portions. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined and as well as closed. Come out from the sketcher. I'll go for the extrude tools and I'll extrude it. Go for the extruded boss base. You can choose your mid plane also. I'll be just giving here extruded height is 42 and make it mid plane. Just go with this OK. Now you can see here your model is quite like this, but we need to do one more thing. I'll just choose here right plane. Click on this right plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane, and just I will do here one convert entities. Click on this, go for convert entities, and I'll draw here two circles, concentric circle. This is first one, this is second one. Now we need to go with the dimensions. So click on the dimension, just give the dimensions. The outer one is having the diameter 42 and the inner one is having the diameter 20. And we need to give a height. So I'll be giving the height. So from this base to this having the height 21. I'll be giving here 21, and I need to give one relation, that is from this point to this point having the relation vertical. I'll just draw one more line from here to this and one more line from here to this point. This and this I'll be giving the relation collinear. Just go with this OK. Now we need to go for the trim tools and we'll trim this portions and this portion. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base, and I'll be giving the extrude height here, which is 14. So first I will choose here mid planes and I'll be giving their extrude height is 14. Now just go with this OK. Click on the fillet tools. Give the fillet to this corner and this corner. I'll be giving the fillet radius here 3 mm and just go with this OK. Select this face and go for the sketch and make it normal to the plane. We'll draw circle over here. I'll just draw here one circle. For that circle I'll be giving the diameter. Select the dimension and give the diameter 12. Now we need to define the position of that circle. So the center to this having the dimensions 24, and from here to here they have given the dimensions 21, or else you can give the relation with this also, because I'll be giving the relation horizontal. Now go with this OK. Sketch is getting fully defined and you can come out from the sketcher right now. Go for this extruded cut and go for the extruded cut up to next and go with this OK. Now you can select this extruded cut and go for the mirror features and make it mirror about the right plane and just go with this OK. So guys, your model is getting ready over here. You can see, if you want you can change the appearance, whatever you want to do you can do it here. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.